In today's video, you will learn the benefits of coconut oil for lips and how you can make your own coconut oil lip gloss. You've probably heard about the wonders and benefits of coconut oil. Although coconut oil is known as a natural and nourishing superfood, did you know that it's also fantastic for your lips? So, if you're looking for the ultimate natural moisturizer for your lips, look no further than coconut oil. Here are the benefits of using coconut oil for your lips. It has moisturizing effects. Coconut oil's primary benefit is its moisturizing properties, making it ideal for chapped lips. Our lips are specifically sensitive to moisture loss because the skin is thin. The lips are also more exposed to harmful elements compared to skin on other parts of our body. Coconut oil is also a mainstay in alternative medicine when it comes to treating burns. This is due to coconut oil's moisturizing and pain-relieving properties. And these same effects can translate to benefits for chapped, cracked lips. Isn't it amazing? It acts as an emollient. Coconut oil is considered an emollient. What are emollients? Emollients are non-cosmetic moisturizers or substances that help keep the skin moist. They're also primarily used to protect the skin. Emollients trap moisture in your skin, so they tend to work best immediately after bathing. But you can also apply them throughout the day as needed, especially on your lips, which lose moisture more rapidly than other parts of your body. It has antimicrobial effects. Coconut oil also has disinfecting and antimicrobial effects. This benefit may keep your lips germ-free and subsequently help protect any cracked skin from becoming infected. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. It's anti-inflammatory. Aside from coconut oil's antimicrobial properties, it's also anti-inflammatory. This means it may reduce swelling. It helps reduce wrinkles. There are people who use coconut oil as a natural wrinkle treatment. When using coconut oil for your lips, you may help your surrounding skin look smoother and more radiant. So if you're looking for the perfect ingredient to make your own lip gloss, coconut oil just makes sense. And how great will it be to have a lip gloss without a paragraph of ingredients that you don't know how to pronounce? Here's what you'll need to make this natural lip gloss. Coconut oil. Use organic, cold-pressed, and unrefined oil. You can also add another oil of your choice like jojoba, avocado, olive, or argan oil. Lip gloss container. You can use a microwavable container and something to stir with. If you want, you can add some lipstick to make a tinted gloss. Now, are you ready to make your coconut oil lip gloss? First, prepare your ingredients. Next, clean and sterilize your empty container so nothing else can grow in there after filling it with your gloss. Put the coconut oil and optional lipstick in a microwave-safe bowl. Zap it for 10 to 30 seconds until the oil is melted and the lipstick is softened. Stir the mixture until it's fully combined. Also, if you're going to mix in some lipstick to the oil, only start by adding a small amount. Remember, the more lipstick you add, the less glossy the final product becomes. At this point, you can add your other choice of oil. Continue stirring until you get rid of every lump and your lip gloss is super smooth. Now, transfer the mixture into your prepared lip gloss container. See how easy that is? Coconut oil lip gloss is so easy and inexpensive to make. You can experiment a little bit with it too. You can make one in every color, try other kinds of oils, and make some for your friends. The possibilities are endless. So try this coconut oil lip gloss recipe and share your experience with us in the comments section below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get my free ebook linked in the description box below to learn 10 essential steps to strengthen your immune system so you'll feel your best.